Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how you can add text rotator in your Divi WordPress website. Now here you can see this is my demo website. Let me log in. Just add /wp-admin. Then in the dashboard, let's go in the plugin. So this is a free WordPress plugin directory that comes with thousands of free plugins. Just type Divi and you will find out various plugins. So this is the light variant that is free. Just we can install this plugin, but to add text rotator we need Divi Supreme Pro. You can get this plugin from Divi official website. Here you can see this is the plugin. So let's install this free variant, and after that we can upload the plugin zip file. Just add a new plugin, then upload plugin file. So let me select the plugin. So you will get plugin file like this, Supreme modules for Divi. Then install that plugin file. And after that, now here you can see plugin is installed. Now let's activate the plugin. Then let's go back to the pages, and after that let's view this page on the front side. On the top of every page you will get this button, enable Divi Visual Builder. You can also enable Divi Visual Builder from this dashboard. Here you can see edit with Divi. So make sure that you have installed Divi WordPress theme. And after that, let's wait for a few seconds. Now let's scroll down, and here we can add a new section. So let's find plus icon. Now here you can see blue icon. Just click here, then we can add a new regular section. Then let's add 2 column row. Then search for rotator. So this is the module Supreme Text Rotator. Just click here. And after that, here you can add whatever text you want to add. For example, web design, SEO, marketing. Then here we can scroll down and add before rotator text. For example, we offer, then this will be after text. So guys, here you can see there is no gap between rotator text and the before and after text. Now let's go to design tab, then scroll down, click here, rotator text. Then here we can add some gap. For example, on the left side 10 and on the right side also 10. So now it looks good. Then here you can see various options. For example, we can change rotator text background color. Then also we can change the text color. So that's great. And also here you can increase or decrease text size, spacing, line height, and you can also add text shadow. Then scroll down, you can also add the border around the rotator text. Then in the same way you can also change after rotator text color as well as before text color. Then you can also increase and add sizing and spacing. Then scroll down, you can add animations. After that, click here 3 dots, then save it. So this module is similar to typing text. Just here we can also try search for typing text. Add here. So now here you can see there is a little difference. Just type every character or every alphabet of ABC, then save it. So guys, thank you for watching video.